scientist. You're welcome to our science class where we explore the world. Have you ever wondered where your food comes from? I know you like eating. Do you know where the rice you eat comes from? Or even the sugar you add to your tea? Do you know where it comes from? Today, we are going to be looking at where all this comes from as we study plants are food. Plants are food. Plants gives us food and they are living things. Plants are living things because they can grow and they also die. Animals and humans eat plants. They eat the food from plants because it helps them to grow. It helps them to grow. Plants have different parts. As you can see, they have different parts like the roots, the stem, the leaves, the flower, and the seeds. These are all parts of a plant. They are all what? Parts of a plant. Now let's take a look at the root food. That's the food we get from the roots of a plant. Number one, we have carrots, potatoes, onions, and garlic. These are food we get from the root of a plant. Now we'll be taking a look at leaves from a plant. That is the food we get from the leaves of a plant. Example here we have spinach, lettuce, and cabbage. Now let me ask you, which of these leaves do you eat raw? That will be your cabbage. Beautiful. Now let's take a look at fruits from plants. The food we get from the fruit of a plant. Number one, we have apple, we have bananas, watermelon, and strawberries. I love strawberries. They are my best fruit. Now, all these fruits can be used to make fruit drink. As you can see, they can be used to make fruit drink. So these are fruits food from plants. Next, we have seeds from plants. And examples are maize, millet, and rice. These are all what? Seeds from plants. Earlier, I asked if you know where the sugar you use in your tea comes from. Well, they come from a plant called sugarcane. The name of the plant is sugarcane. Alright kids, let's take a summary of today's lesson. We said that food comes from plants. That is, plant gives us food and the food helps us to grow. Now we have different parts of a plant like the root, the stem, the fruit, the seed, and even the flowers. We also talked about food that we can get from the different parts of these plants. Number one, we said the roots, and examples are onions, carrots, potatoes. We also talked about the leaves and we gave examples as spinach, cabbage, and so on. We talked about the fruit parts of a plant. The food we can get from the fruit are apple, bananas, strawberries, oranges. Beautiful. So, please let's do well to attempt our quizzes and I will see you in my next class. Bye.